Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marceline again with another video. Yes, welcome to How We Roll Cooks, and today I'm gonna be making some shrimp boil in a foil pocket. So yeah, if you're new over here, just go ahead, hit that red subscribe button, turn your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So let's get into the video. All right. So guys, the shrimp that I'll be using today is the large wild Gulf shrimp, and they are deveined already, and also they are headless, but I'm going to cook them with the shells on. So these are the red potatoes that I'm going to be using as well, and I'm also going to be using these sausage. I really don't eat sausages, but my daughters eat it, so for their sake I'm going to be adding sausages as well. Also, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to prepare my potatoes and my corns and the sausages, and I'm going to season them and then pre-cook them. I'm going to give them a head start in the oven before I add my shrimp, because I don't want my shrimp to get dried out and overcooked and gets trashy. Yeah, I don't want that. So that is the purpose of me cooking the potatoes and the corn first. So I have added some grated garlic, and now I'm going in with some chopped scallion, and I'm also going to be adding some Scotch bonnet pepper as well. And for my seasoning, I'm going to go in with some Italian herbs, some Old Bay, and some paprika. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add some butter, and I'm going to just combine everything together, pack them in the foil, and then pop them in the oven. So while my potatoes and corns are being cooked, I am going to prepare my shrimp, and as I said before, they were already deveined, and I'm just going to wash them in some lemon and get them all seasoned up. So this is the Jamaican Grace fish tea soup mix, and I'm going to use the powdered part of this. I don't need the noodles in there, and this is gonna give my shrimp a nice flavor. And I'm also going to be adding some more Italian herbs, scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, butter, and also some grated garlic as well. So my potatoes and corns are pre-cooked, and I am going to add my shrimp and then just pop them back in the oven. So it has been 10 minutes. Everything is all done and ready and smelling good, and we're going to be having a shrimp mukbang. Yes, we're going to be having a mukbang over on Empress Marcy's channel, so you can just run on over and see what that mukbang is all about. We did a Q&A. If you guys are interested, go over to my other channel called Empress Marcy and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the ingredients will be down in my description box, and yeah, if you are here for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and drop a comment in the comment section. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.